everybody, Rich Dial Blast here. Hope you're all having an awesome day. Sorry about the noise in the background. They're busy putting some scaffolding up in the local park because they're doing some renovations for the past 6 months or so. Anyway, enough of that. I'm just going to do this quick unparceling. What I did the other day was went to this company. Buy me 1 minute. Toothpaste on your fingers, don't want that. So yeah, I reached out to this company for a sample for pack testing labels. I believe this is the pass sample. So basically what I've had these personalised so I don't have to keep writing my name every time. As I said, I think it's just a single one. Oh, there's my finger. It's just a single label, I believe. So let's try and get this open one-handed, because I've got no fingers. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Try not to show you my address. Do that off camera. As I say, the company's called Dura-ID Solutions. I'll pop a link to their website in the description below. So basically, this is their catalogue by the looks of it. Yeah, there you go. They do all sorts of labels. It's their product catalogue. Somewhere in here, there should be. Oh, hang on a minute. 2 seconds, just give me 2 more seconds. Ah, there we go. So there you go. There's a thank you slip. And there you go. There are the labels themselves. So there you go. It's got, these are the 4th edition labels. So this is just basically a quick sample. So there you go. There's my name. There's the name of my company. And my phone number. Looks slightly different than I was expecting, but wait, still, that looks good though. So I think I'll be ordering, definitely be ordering some more of these. So there you go. As I say, that's my phone number and my company. Saves me writing out my long name all the time. So pop a comment in the box below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And hit that bell button and select all to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you all soon. Ta-ta for now.